All right, we've got our brakes. We've got our brake pads. So here, we've got our brake pads. Inside of here, let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. See what's inside. Okay, so we've got this right here. And we've got this tool right here that comes with it. We've got our Allen wrench that comes with it. And we've got these right here that come along with it. We've got these 4 individual bags for the brake pads. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Each one has 2 brake pads. Let's open this one up here. So we've got this that comes in that you'd put through here, right? And then we've got our brake pads that are, you can see they've got a zip tie on them. Let's see, will this thing focus? Yeah, there it goes. It's got a zip tie. Let's see if I have any that are not zip tied. Well, I don't want to unzip tie them because I don't need them yet, so I just want to keep everything the same, but we can look there and see what they look like in between. So yeah, actually, I'll just take it off because then you can always just put the zip tie back on like this. So we'll take it off and we'll take a look like this. So we've got that like here. You can see, let's see if the texture, it's pretty rough. Feels good though. And yeah, I've got some of these on my bike already. And so that's why I was saying I've just got these extra ones just in case, because I do food delivery. And so I'm obviously going to be, if I'm riding hundreds of miles per week, I'm going to be running out of brakes very, 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 very fast. And so I need to make sure that I have mine right here. And I've got all the tools that I need. They send you all the tools that you need with this. So yeah, I like this one.